Hey guys, today on this video I'm gonna show you how to make this circle, then to cut out another circle inside in this circle, let's say. So let's take a look. Just create new element, then go to shape reductor, then hit the combination of key Ctrl A, then arc, then one arc we can delete. Yeah, like this. Then make it straight. Then we can make like this. Here also make straight line. Then put 60 milli. Another direction. Oh, sorry, this one. 60. I think this one, yeah? Yeah, 60. Then add another line. Then here's also put add another line. Then another line. Just make like this temporary. Then just make another arc. Here's we can delete this. Then make another arc, but make it inside. Then here you can join them together. Choose this line, add another knots, and select this one, arc, and make it inside. And here it is. Just close the shapes. But as I see, we have like problem here is should be 16. Yeah, now it's the same. So yeah, here it is. Now you know how to make a circle, and then you know how to cut out another circle inside. If you like this channel, please give me a thumbs up and comment if you need some catalog of furniture cabinets or another elements, then you can just buy it. Just leave the comment under the video and you can buy it for support my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.